Let's talk about LFI hunting. For this, you have to find a parameter that includes some local file. Let's try on this website first, the testphp.vulnweb.com. I will copy this. So if I have to find a parameter, I have to spider this host. So I'll go to browser, I'll open this website. I got a request there, testphp.vulnweb.com. I'll send this to spider. Let us spider this. Yes. So I spider this website. Now for LFI, I have to find any parameter that includes some local file. So I'll double click on params now, but I am not getting any file who's including something. See this? In this case, I will search some of the parameters like this: file equal to, document equal to, folder equal to, root equal to, path equal to, like this. So Bob should search file equal to, in scope only, request header, not in response header. See, I got some of the file equal to some file, some local file. See this? I will right click, send this to repeater now. Click on go. So this is the data of these pictures. And maybe this is coming from some of the file, some of the directory of server. Now I'll give here what? /etc/password. etc/password. Let's click on go. But I am not getting the etc password data. So I'll have to move to another one directory back. I have to go one directory back. So I'll give dot slash. But I'm not getting data of this. I'll try one more dot slash. Now I got data of this etc/password. See this? So this is vulnerable by LFI. So this way you have to find LFI on the websites. See, it's not only single file. It's not a single file. Okay, there may be multiple. There you can try for the etc slash. You can also try for proc slash self slash environment. Let's click on this. See, you are not getting proxy. Okay, you are not getting this process environment informations. So I hope it's clear to you how to find manually. Yes, if not, we will have another chapters. Don't worry about that. Okay.